In this video tutorial, I'll show you guys how to safely send money from PayPal to Binance in 2025. So if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and watch this video to the end. First, open your Binance app or go to Binance.com and log in. Make sure your identity verification is fully completed so you can use the marketplace. From the Binance home screen, tap P2P. This is where you can buy crypto directly from other users using different payment methods, including PayPal. Select USDT as the coin to buy. Then tap the filter icon. Then choose your local currency and set the payment method to PayPal. Then tap confirm to see available sellers. Look for a seller with high completion rate and good reviews. Tap buy. Enter the amount of USDT you want and confirm it. You'll now see the seller's PayPal info. Open your PayPal app and send the exact amount. Make sure you follow any payment notes or seller required. Once the payment is sent, return to Binance and tap transfer, notify seller. After they confirm, your USDT will be released into your wallet.